song now.
I will. Fucking just
I fucking will just a fucking spite you. Jackhammer, Jackhammer, I'm a fucking Jackhammer.
I'm going to sit down for this one.
The effect that you liked last time was number 28, but
Okay.
do whatever you want, man.
I'm going to do a slow bluesy thing first.
Yeah. Just remember that the only things that rhyme with hammer is stammer and clamour.
Okay. I relieved the girl of her stammer. Okay.
I made a stammer because I've got a...
What happened?
I don't know what you do.
Fuck.
You just have some magical quality about you that feeds back on that mic. But I think it's alright, man. I think it's for a slow one. I don't think we need to be up so high. So, how's that? Go there. I'll go right there.
Do. That's okay. Her stammer. Oh, I'm the Jackhammer, baby. I'm the Jackhammer, baby. Coming down from Alabama, baby. I'm the Jackhammer. Baby, I play darts, trade off cards. I wanna take that girl too. I'm the Jackhammer, baby. I'm the Jackhammer, baby. Oh, I'm the Jackhammer, baby. Gonna cure that girl with a snare. I'm the Jackhammer, baby. I'm the Jackhammer, baby. Can't do nothing some. I'm the Jackhammer, baby. Ooh, yeah. Gonna cure that girl with a snare. That girl with the I'm the Jackhammer, baby. I'm the Jackhammer, baby. Oh, gonna cure that girl with a stammer. you want to do now?
Bit of fun. You got a couple of 2, maybe 3 minutes. You wanna crank out 28? You like that little thing, don't you? 2 minutes, right?
What is it? 28?
28 is the one.
That's it. Okay,
If you
okay.
change the amp, like Tool or